Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new, very quick video. Now today I'm doing just a quick little tutorial how to make halters. I'm doing bra size because it's easiest to show everyone. But yeah, it's just going to be a quick little video. This is what it's going to look like. And this is what you're going to need. First of all, what you'll need is some paper or something to like lean on. And make it on. Some glue. I use Yoo-hoo, I just find it easier. Tissue or paper towel, wire tools, pliers I mean, jump rings, lobster clasps and ribbon. So the first thing I actually do is wrap my horse's head in cling film. I do this with all tack like saddles and everything, especially because most of my models are LSQ and I don't want them to get scratched while making stuff. So first thing you want to do is wrap your model. Then you need to grab your ribbon and one of the jump rings. I also forgot that you will need scissors as well. Now the first thing you want to do is just take your ribbon, put your jump ring on your ribbon, put it on like so, and then you're just going to glue this part down to this end. So you're just going to put glue here and stick it down here. So that's glued down. You want to measure it to where your horse's muzzle is. So his mouth stops here, a regular halter comes to about here. So I'm just going to measure it over to the other side. There you go, I've just measured it over to the other side. So it needs to be this long, and then I'm just going to add a few extra inches so I have room to bend over the ribbon. And now I'm going to glue another jump ring on the end of that. Your head collar should now look like this. This is the part that goes over the front of the nose, so it will go like that. Now what you want to do next is just take your ribbon and again just poke that through and stick that one down. So this is what it should look like now. It should have the ribbon on the end. Okay, now what you want to do is measure this bit of ribbon around the rest of the horse's muzzle. You'll make a bit of a gap, and then remember your length as well, so you can turn it over and stick it on. So I'm going to go about there. So there we go, that's all glued down and measured. So now you have your little nose band, like so, and it should be able to slip on and off over your horse's muzzle quite easily. I mean, it's going to be a bit of a struggle because of the cling film. That's the only problem with the cling film. It does make it a bit of a struggle, but it does protect the horse, so that's all I really care about. Next thing you want to do is glue another piece of ribbon to your nose band. So this is going to be the cheek piece, and then you want to measure it up against your horse. So just measure it against Badger here. You want to bring it to about the cheek and then a bit more so that you can stick it down. And then you want to repeat that same thing on the other side. So here you go, we've got it like that on that side and cut the shape on that side. Now all you want to do next is just take your jump ring again, get it at the right length, so it should just be where the jawline is, so about here, and stick that there, just again by putting it on, bending it over and sticking it down like so. So here you go, you've got the jump ring on the end, and you're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So this is what it should look like currently. So these should both, your cheek pieces should both be the same length and everything, unless your horse has got like a weird turning face or something. So the next thing you want to do is just thread this piece through here and stick that over. There you go, so that should just look like that. Now you just want to keep that a bit long for now. The next part is making the buckle. So to make the buckle, all you want is your wire, you're going to want pliers, these type of pliers, and then some wire cutters. Now to make buckles like I do, you have to measure it like that at that length, and then turn it like that. So you should just have a little like bend in it, like that. And then you want to do that again. This side should be slightly shorter. And then again, so your buckle should currently look like this. And then you want to do the same again. So you're just going to take it through like that. Bend over. Get through. Bend it over. So there you go. Your buckle should look like that. Then you just want to take your wire cutters and snip off from about here. And there you go. There is your tiny little buckle. I have to adjust it a bit to make sure it's all good, but yeah, that's your little buckle. Right, so what you want to do is you want to cut this bit really short. Add your buckle on like this. I try to make this part as short as I can because you don't want it too long. So thread your buckle through, and then you're just going to turn that over and stick that down. So now on the other side you want to thread your ribbon through just like that, and then stick that down there. So you're just gonna want to slip your halter back on again like this, and then measure this down. This bit is your crown piece, so measure it down. I don't cut it properly to size until I do it up, so I'm just gonna cut it longer than I probably need to right now. And then I'm just going to thread it through. I always cut my ribbon at an angle, just because it looks better, and it also makes it easier to thread stuff through. So there you go, that's it threaded through. And the next thing you want to do is take your ribbon and glue it around this, so it should be facing downwards. So I'll show you what I mean now. So here we go, this is what I mean. Now you're going to take this throat lash down and attach it like we've done with everything else on the other side. So again, you can measure it, make sure you have a bit more give in the throat lash as you would on a normal halter, and then measure it and make sure you have a little bit of extra so you can stick it down. So once that's stuck down, that should create your little throat lash piece. Now you want to make the connecting strap next, and this bit's really easy. What you want to do is just take your ribbon and fold it over, make sure there's room to move, and just glue that down. Again, make sure there's room to move so it can move up and down. So once you've done that, what you want to do next is take 2 more jump rings, open up one of them I'm using these pliers and my regular pliers. So take one, open it up, put the other one on, and then you want to, with the open one, just hook that round the bottom part of the nose band, and then close that back up like so. So the next thing you want to do is just snip this bit off around here, and then you're just going to thread it through. So once you've threaded it through, this bit can get quite fiddly, so I then hold it, take the halter off and stick that down. So now that everything is dry, we've put the halter back on the horse, and here it is. It's a nice colour. So that's it for this tutorial. Halters are pretty simple and easy to make, and I also hope you learn how to make buckles in this as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below what colour you're going to make your halter or head collar, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, everything to do with horses, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.